Hey, so Jungle Scout lifetime membership, is it still a thing? Can you still score that? So back in the day, you could score like lifetime Chrome extension usage of Jungle Scout for a specific fee. Unfortunately, these days it is not available. However, what is available are some discounts for Jungle Scout that I can offer you. They're going to be in the description. 50% off your first month on Jungle Scout. Another one is going to be like seasonal discounts that you're going to see for Suite, professional plans, the master bundle, the Freedom Builder Bootcamp course, which is the course by Jungle Scout, and some nice yearly kind of offer for Jungle Scout Suite. I would actually try this middle kind of link. It's going to give you the best offers. Lifetime membership, unfortunately, is not available these days, but this is the best I can get you. If it will ever be available, I'll update it in the description of this video, where you will also find the playlist of Jungle Scout tutorials I have for you. Over 80 videos that show you how to use Jungle Scout from A to Z. Check it out and check out also the discounts. You can also see that here on the screen. Tutorials playlist and the kind of link to the best discounts for Jungle Scout. Affiliate link means that if you ever use these links, it's going to grant a little commission from Jungle Scout to me if you do business with them. No extra cost to you, but in this way you can support my free content here. Thank you a lot and check out all the resources. Have a great day and have a good life too.